Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can see views on your Facebook video. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. So let's open up the Facebook app. Go to your profile, that menu icon. Now tap on your profile. Scroll a little down and here you can see photos. Now let's tap on albums. So these are all of the photos and videos that I have uploaded to my profile. Let's tap on the video. Now let's open some video, like let me open this. And here you can see there's a one like in my video. So guys, this video is not showing me that who can view this video. This is because Facebook said that privacy that you can see the people who can view your video. So obviously those who can like your video or those who can comment on your video can see your video. But also if you post some stories on your Facebook account, so you can see the viewers there. This is the only way to see who can see your video. There is no other way to see the list of the people who watch your video, right? So hope you guys understand and like my video. So please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.